Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase player by his nation or region in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, so I made this video for you for that player that new into this game or beginner want to search a player by his nation. So let's tap this let's tap the market. Let's get back to main page. Let's tap the market, tap the search, scroll down, and this one, nation or region, tap. So this is all nation in this game. So for example, I want to search player from France, for example. Let's search the France. This one, save and search. And this is all player from the France. So if you want build team based on their nation, you can buy in the market. If you have a coin, you can buy the expensive one, like Camavinga, for example, Griezmann, and many more. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.